Yate. Sammy Gyamfi father-in-law nase ne yire ne papa no. Oye MPP ni tatashu. Ah no, ye pulling a station executive.
Mame ma wo akwaba emfa umbra Ghana insem TVGH so wo frame adwoa searching ebusuafo Ghana jollof ye na yati Ghana jollof CC no the new Kelvin Taylor ayenya ewo NPP party ni mo Ghana jollof NDC ni bi obeso we di nsem hu bia Ghana jollof nso ehia no boot for boot me de say na na bi mo keka Ghana jollof to bo ase Ghana jollof atem didi ni do so ye wo krom here na Kelvin Taylor to me betna ne radio se TV so edi his excellency the former president na Adam Kwakufu Ado atem chese o to me di na tem na o hwa atem di na na wo yem kra ehyeso na Ghana jollof be ye bidi amose den ade NPP for na de ntina mo ye hypocrites a ya fa ne nto nchen Ghana jollof e de ensem bia betudwa o kire se eye Sammy Gyamfi na sewa obi akwakobo nitu no efri NDC party ni mu na ebusiafo enely 3 days and betu dwa say Sammy Gyamfi a oda gold board ano na sew ne yere ne papa obi abolutu na etu no mo ebo no na bi mo kire say NDC fo ni bi na kire say bi a Sammy Gyamfi onya atumi no ombo mo ene ho ya na kire say sika na opompe di gu ne yere na busuafie nti no mo akwakọ shoot no mo kire say kai ekura papa no ko mo je na Ghana jollof e de emu details aba betudwa yenti nsem a Ghana jollof e de etudwa
Ghana for na musi DNS hebusua. Sammy Gyamfi ne father-in-law Am Roberts akobo ni to you. Yate. Sammy Gyamfi father-in-law nase ne yire ne papa no. Oye MPP ni tatashu. Ah no, ye pulling a station executive mpo. Ne ba no kwa ware Sammy Gyamfi o pa dokodoko edia na eja wo free ye ho no ko ndi so me no betime awie sika ma ne bi adie ena Sammy Gyamfi wo ba power nura dai we invest so much e ne yiri ni family wa to cars amunu mienu akese ama papa ye o mabonu tue o maame oba ne maame nso wa to ama no oba ne nua mo chese efie ho de we invest wo ho papa krono sika pa kwa na pompe ne yiri fie ho no o de je animonyam ena NDC for Am Roberts akoboni tuo se ye ne ya be ye adwuma ewo party nwa momanya power oba ye ono na wode to talk asama no omo abonu tuo no mo je car no ba ko Land Cruiser no omo je ye no omo de koye papa na ewu si wa hu mo so wo yire nso so wakobie ese gold jewelry shop se ho ya ma no wo Dubai o se hene Sammy Gyamfi said the nkrofo we si jia Ghana sika no na kokofo si ho kokofo akuafo mobrofo a wo mo ne awowo ne nsanso ne nasefo ati nwura mu ho no wo mado mu koko na mu hia jomama for 4 years we oba ye ide wo ye na giso obekum awia sei kromfo be ma kwa me abebio wa babio mu be bu krofo afaso wa di koko no wa se koko no kura ase esika no na Sammy Gyamfi mo awie sika nyina wo do ya oyere ho tami so ombe kum nyina omobekum nyina se mo anya akro no na mo bo no mamu ho no mo ede man krofo na omani abro mo NDC fo no kom de bi omo bekum nyina kwasiafo na nka asesen me ya se papa no wawuo bi ko no otere ba bi na wo wie sika de bere no na mo amu wie no mo pa ne wo se ko omo de omo ani si mo so akrofo tachi amoa kwasiafo
we would adjust and now say the nhihye bi to o be ya problem no bim
kan wo se kan be to asemu
it makes sense Abansi wentimi antum because ekagu ho 2 world price now mo the year projection no dollar no so yen de na stronger enti ama
a BTN
enti e dey koni say for now na afei ya twen emre bi a John Mahama edu salary negotiation what happened
onu
akotenam ka say we dey mesrem adabraka yenye ni say yenye say kasa we say the point is that say well nobody would understand. It defies common logic. Say, market share 1,000 misu. Osemese about 800. The answer is because she can't ho.
But is it a similar scenario?
That's a similar scenario.
Oh wow.
A cocoa farmer no projecting is saying nanko expectation ka be ya 6,000. Wanye about 3,000 some to muka krebi ne mano. Chianeka unya nchiaye. ye twen so ba be ka nyansa sematre na wo semate so because well track but just a double stories sa se bi nsem hunu na MPP aban ye bi ane e ka chomo muntin enu bi oko Facebook a enu bi no wa sha ase the semantics the world market price the dollar exchange rate the hwan me what say ka to politicians omun sia de o omun sia de na you see Jamahama we need to take the toughest decision into Akufo-Addo the new Jimmy.
Oh, they won't cast.
See, we need to tell politicians school bear no makwa school bear no makwa
the level can no level.
What you say? President John Mahama PhD. The master's yes. So let them not behave as if say they are superhumans. And when you now have a problem, and you bet me politicians.
It's true.
Sabi who war nim de bebre chankrofobia omuye ministers ne DCs. Ayadom. Let them not behave as if say
they are demigods.
They are demigods said yentimi koma semna or your president today or superhuman. Enu bi no mo ya kan yo menti afidi Akufo-Addo ekotefa so a ene. And this is the danger. They be catch all 400 prophets. You see, right now, foot soldiers now mono, omutinka, omuhinkano, woman defend something. Do you know the number of families that they are involved in Cocoa? You don't understand it.
But who be message you was say a canica musano. Ono kwa kwaje bosion, ni project they say, the ene dada dano. Says can they be bamana or
they don't have, you see,
it's a what is
you see. When MPP a debt exchange program
affect him
people, you see, politicians underestimate the anger. Politicians because they have people defending them what you say but they are silent people, they don't talk.
Yes.
And no been an say me they be catch MPP for no. When you are doing this nonsense, nobody will tell you. Your foot soldiers and your supporters will be hailing you. And you see, I am not the ME and say, I catch a phone and no person much say because say omunim kakrenti omudu munyan say ba beche so mu would the woka wa Jimmy anana na mebufu no. The idea say woka kokwa asem no wa Jimmy unim the woka na den you are hollow mimi a hollow
we are shallow dear
Maybe a hollow
because all criticizing a decision from government.
But you see,
they
don't get it. And some, you see, and I'm so glad they say me papa or say chairman Sakan BB.
Okay.
Or say, see, I can't people for you now, Boma.
Yeah, I'll say by 48.
What the name Timin Drew say about the floating voters
and the winner.
That's true. Makacho say MPP, NDC, Omuni 44% too. And the floating voters. Women decide who becomes the president. And we will speak to the floating voters.
Yeah.
We will speak to the float and entrench MPP near NDC.
Somebody they look at issues with political
exactly. Even with MPP for Chromia and Trench, we were able to convince them.
Yeah, that's true.
In Ashanti region, we were able to convince them, say, John Mahama is better than Nana Akufo-Addo.
Yeah.
So you don't come in and say all these things.
But you ask what but you see the issue is that
every time I'm a bufu. And then I John Mahama church. And then what church? Masia bro, you see, I've been talking for 8 years.
And I change aba.
So I do not want to go back talking about the same thing. Do they know the effect on our health?
Yeah.
People don't understand the effect. And your man you be komu, yare ye komu, yare bi okra bi mada. But because we love Ghana so much, na ye yare because of Akufo-Addo. You better sorry ni akuma ye ya. Me na me ni akuma yare. Akufo-Addo nti me nya akuma yare. So we don't want a situation where you better be shas ye ni ekikam. No.
But don't you think that I mean, relax.
Relaxing.
I viewers, subscribers, mumpe in Sobi and Yunami Fangu. Dog akumas na dog hitu no. Don't you think say yeah nema basa in the past, but it is time we swallow the bitter pill by maybe taking the tough decisions which will in the long run inure to the benefit of the Ghanaian people. But for now
Akufo-Addo take his tough decision no affect no. This exchange no na tough decision.
No,
but I'm saying say Akufo-Addo tough decisions. So NDC has benefited from those DDEP.
Okay.
True or false?
Yeah,
These are the facts.
It's true.
But they did not say it was a necessary evil.
Yeah, that's true.
NDC for Kebimano. They said he was wicked.
Yeah.
Akufo-Addo, they said he was wicked. Yemumbi were affected.
Yeah.
Although he was the oye now so what do I say? A drew maybe when certain taxes and then I say for a buy, it's not what this in bottom. Taxes Akufo-Addo see edition bottom. And yes, a campaign against him. It's now names a cocoa sector no. Mama beto ka mujaka.
And MPP beto you.
And MPP beto you no yo mudie. No majabi eka because a kabi a legacy.
Yeah, beto omuza.
A legacy where amuke musu majaka. Because 4 years in beba no. Mo de ka and a beto aso.
Bi mo bi bia akwa baba mi platform so. Enra abra MPP omo epese omo 2 franc ama party no come 2028 omo ko shia Walisa hotel si omo ko sign peace pact no emse mu nyina ye mo nimsem sabre de krata no tu omo nim so omo nsan no ono abu kele Japan ko a eso ono de on sign am ye twa ne ho ahia abre nipa nan na aka no edi anidie sign paper no adaya o se omo amfa nhyemu se si yekoto aba na sentokwasi baabi a ese ho aba na yesi twam eti no on sign na nipa twa ho ahia sa asem tantan we asem kankan we na onobu do wise mu atena ho ma onobu kre Japan ka tire ye se yemfa sa asem tantan we hye sa nkrata anim ana yemfa nya mra na bibuso onobu do wise say ebre ben ni da ben na ye to aba antokwasi baabi ye twa ho aba mu sa so kankan no ammo so onobu kre Japan so MPP party mu amane hijack party no this time round yes so ansem fun no so yes so ansem fun so kankan no eno na mo so onobu kre Japan so am na beti ne ono ka tie say proxy o man kofo ma meto proxy ampa mo age sa ade na tuma ne amanfo mu wa ma no nti ma meto aba ne bi onobu do wise sa asem na onobu kre Japan epese mode ehye sa mode ye emra ewo sa abato wem no bu ye mu sa onobu kre Japan e di adwen ne woni tirim o de sa adwen no ono nko ani pa ba akofo no e de sa adwen eba se ya nyintum that means all planet adwen boni se ebra eba aba na ekoso o de nkofo matwoma afo ba ko se ya basabasa ewo nkofo stronghold anu ti no de sa adwen na eba onobu do wise mu nyina moteto mpanimfo te se mutimi nsiti onobu kre Japan kan se bema asem a wode ba ya nyintum na nyintum tena onte asa onkotere party na mu nyina moteto ono mo hwe na ama enura no ono pese hijack party no onobu kre Japan ono kwa hwan MPP party no ba mu da bai na dombo ni buzi amko omote party no omo makra ho no omko betima sa ansamfun we mote ono ma mo hwe onobu kre Japan ono kwa party no hwan MPP party be se bibu sam se onobu kre Japan ono nkwa oye hwan wo party nim ayeso ono bete o kire MPP fo se ye ade we no ono pedi ya anya ama na wonte ase oye hwan who is he etu ono no pese o tie se ono no de ono no pedi ye nyama no se die nti abra ye wo embra ye di beto ya ba no ono pese ono tie se ono de ne mra firi fie ase de botumu ba tie nye sa ade no ma no he onobu Joe Wise me yanka se binchira mo it's about time as honorable kre Japan mo se kire ne ka kire se mo na mo hye emra a ye de to aba no ontimi no obeyiri ho afim onyiri ho firi mo nko because so no ya dos dodo so no ya dos dodo anytime bi honorable kre Japan be so kire se ono de ono no pa ne nyama no party ne dia eno na enu anado dan kwakufa do ka kire se party na MPP party na da hon esote obi odon party no etu obi tim mechi obi di obi nye adwen be kwa na wotim ade sa adwen fun we asade we se ye fan hye emram ona bu ka Japan no hwan mo so so party nim no etu ono nkwa of one ne nkofo no free party no kwa party no ana yentimi mbeze party no fro Honorable Kejapo ya brewo MPP for this time round ya brewo mranche na ya ba me se ya brewo party ne onkwa ho dia untimi me hijack party no enso so ne aso so ama utirima ya ode na this time round there udi see betwa I'm telling you today because ya so ache onkwa ho ya hwan e wo party nim ufiri wabro kire e ma Ghana na MPP party na ho na fanhye ya adwuma nkofo don party no ye mu bi don party no ona omampani kofo ene na nado ba be pri abanya otu so obi ka so owoska anaso obi e be factories ya brew this time round ya brew Honorable Kejapo ya brew orofo me do bibia so oba so ro ahia ma ene ati